didn't see you there. Well, if you're still alive to see this, welcome to 3-4 Media. Making a product's pretty hard, but here's some tips and tricks to get you through it.
Don't be sad, come get a tattoo. Don't be sad, go get a tattoo. Don't be sad.
The first step is communication. If you can talk with the rest of your group about what products you want to be making, you can make a pretty good product. Make sure when you're talking with your friends you're using nice words such as
Please.
And.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Wilson.
I'm Wilson.
Hi, I'm Wilson.
Hi, I'm Wilson.
And remember, sharing is caring.
Hi, I'm Wilson.
Wait! Let me go! Planning's important. Make sure you always got time for everything. This is scary, man.
Save.
Make sure you're always saving all of your progress.
Save.
What is that?
Oh, maybe I should.
Make sure you use your folio.
What he said.
No, back! No, stop! Just back!
Always refer back to your screenplay and storyboard. They're the two most important things of your product. Detail! Use detail! Use detail! Whatever you do! In your research, use detail! Always use detail! Be as detailed as possible! You need to be as detailed as possible! Come back in! Detail! Should we get in line?
Idiot. Colossal.
Most importantly, have fun. Yo, that's pretty epic.
Shut up!